Are you struggling to grow your business with email marketing? Don't worry, whether you're new or just looking for the best way to manage your campaigns, I've got you covered. Today, I'll walk you through how to set up and optimize your email marketing strategy like a pro. From designing beautiful email templates to automating follow-ups and tracking your success, you'll see how simple email marketing can be when you have the right tools. Speaking of tools, did you know there's one that lets you access all its premium features for 30 days, for free? No credit card needed. You get to test out every feature, from automating campaigns to advanced analytics, without any risk. Stick around, and I'll show you how to get started with it in just a few clicks. So, GetResponse is one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly email marketing tools out there. With its all-in-one platform, you can create newsletters, build landing pages, automate your campaigns, and even design pop-ups or forms, all with just a few clicks. Let's sign up for GetResponse to get our 30-day free trial without ever needing credit cards. First, click the link below in the description or the first comment, and it will take you straight to the sign-up page. From there, click Create Account for free. Enter your email, name, and a strong password. Check your email inbox for the confirmation email, then click the confirmation link. And boom, you've just unlocked 30 days to test out if this tool is right for you. Now you can try out every premium feature, whether it's creating newsletters, building forms and pop-ups, setting up autoresponders, or even running a full email marketing campaign. GetResponse is an all-in-one marketing tool trusted by businesses and individuals because of its simplicity and user-friendly interface. To take advantage of this, click the link below in the description or the first comment to get your 30-day free trial without needing a credit card. Thanks for watching.